children. How are you today? Fine. Okay. My name is Jayashree. I am a class teacher of senior KG in Super 30 English School. Okay. Today we are going to learn with GK subject. Which subject? GK. GK means general knowledge. What is the spelling of general knowledge? General. General and knowledge. Knowledge. What is the spelling of general knowledge? General. General. Knowledge. General knowledge. What is today's date? Today's date is 25 February 2021. What is today's date? And which day is today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Thursday. What is the spelling of Thursday? Thursday. Thursday. Okay. Children, we are going to study. Before we do some exercise. Do you like exercise? Okay. Stand up all of you. Stand up. Stand up all of you. And shake your body. All of you do action. Shake your body. Shake your hands. All of you do action. Shake your hands. Roll your hands. Roll your hands in right side. Roll your hands in left side. Very good. Now jump. Jump. All of you jump. Okay. Now we do some exercise with our body. So we are going to learn new topic, and our topic name is body part. What is the topic name? Our topic name is body part. What is the spelling of body part? B-O-D-Y, body, and P-A-R-T-S, parts. B-O-D-Y, body, and P-A-R-T-S, part, body parts. We have so many body parts, but do you know how many body parts and what is the name of all body parts? So today we are going to learn which body parts and how many body parts, their names and their spellings. Okay, children? First, I will stick one picture on the board. Look at the board, all of you. Who is in this picture? She is a girl, cute girl. Who is in this picture? Girl. She is a girl. And her name is Sanika. Now we will show all body parts in this picture. Okay. First, what is this? Okay, student. We learned in this picture. First, tell me, what is this? First, tell me, what is this? What is this? This is here. What is this? This is hair. H-A-I-R, hair. What is this? H-A-I-R, hair. And now what is this? What is this spelling? N-O-S-E. What is this spelling? N-O-S-E. And where is her nose? In this picture, where is her nose? Can you tell me where is her nose? Yes, it is her nose. Very good, children. N-O-S-E, nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E, nose. Very good. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Very good, children. Now, what is this? Here it is black color, two sides. What is this? It is eyebrow. What is this? It is eyebrow. And what is the spelling of eyebrow? What is the spelling of eyebrow? E-Y-E-B-R-O-W. Eyebrow. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W. Eyebrow. And what is this? This is nose. And what is this? This is ear. What is this? This is ear. What is the spelling of ear? E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. How many ears do you have? 2 ears. How many ears do you have? 2 ears. Touch your ears. Touch your ears, children. Okay, very good. Now, second one is, what is this? This is lips. What is this? This is lips. What is the spelling of lips? L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Very good. Now, look at this. Her cheeks are very cute. Her cheeks is very cute. Do you like someone your cheeks? Do like this and do like this? Do you like? Okay. What is the spelling of cheeks? It is cheeks. What is the spelling of cheeks? C-H-E-E-K-S, cheeks. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Very good. Now, what is this? Little. Touch your chin. It is called chin. What is called? It is called chin. Touch your chin, children. Touch your chin. Okay. What is the spelling of chin? What is the spelling of chin? C-H-I-N, chin. It is chin. C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-I-N, chin. And what is this? This is eyes. This is eyes. What is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E, eyes. E-Y-E, eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. Open your eyes and close your eyes. Open your eyes and close your eyes. Do action. Open, close. Open. Do action. Do action. Close, open. Close, open. Very good. Now I will show second picture. Okay, look at the board. in this picture? Who is in this picture? Tell me. A little boy. Who is a little boy in this picture? Okay. Now I will show some body parts in this picture. Okay. First I will show. What is this? This knee. What is this? Sorry, neck. What is this? This neck. What is this? This is neck. And what is the spelling of neck? N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Okay. Now, what is this? This is head. What is this? This is head. And what is the spelling of head? H-E-A-D, head. What is the spelling of head? H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Repeat after me. H-E-A-D, head. And what is this? This is leg. What is this? This is leg. And what is the spelling of leg? L-E-G, leg. What is the spelling of leg? L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Now, what is this? This is elbow. Look at the spelling of elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. And what is this? What is this? Anyone tell me what is this? This is hand. What is this? Show me your hands, all of you. Show me your hands. How many hands do you have? 2 hands. How many hands? 2 hands. And what is the spelling of hands? H-A-N-D, hands. What is the spelling of hands? H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Next. What is this? This is knee. What is this? This is knee. And what is the spelling of knee? K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. What is the spelling of knee? K-N-E-E, knee. Now next I will show. This is foot. What is this? This is foot. And what is the spelling of foot? F-O-O-T, foot. What is the spelling of foot? F-O-O-T, foot. If you show one foot, we can say foot. And if you show 2 foot, then we will call feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Okay? Now what is this? This is main part. This is stomach. What is this? What is this? This is stomach. Stomach. What is the spelling of stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. What is the spelling of stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Okay, what is this? This is chest. What is this? This is chest. C-H-E-S-T. What is the spelling of chest? C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Today we learn parts of the body. So we learn new rhyme related to body parts, and that name is 10 little fingers. Okay? Listen all of you carefully.
Info bells. 10 little fingers. That was great, and a long day too. I'm also tired. Look at my fingers. They've got tired and swollen from flying kites. They need a little rest. Mine too. They also need rest. Listen to this one. Sounded very cute, and let's sing it for Mama as she's here. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 1 little mouth to kiss Mother good night.
Now student, you say after me, okay? That shines so bright, 1 little mouth to kiss Mother good night. Once again I will repeat. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes, 10 little fingers and 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little mouth to kiss Mother and good night, 1 little mouth to kiss Mother and good night. Do you like this poem? You have to learn this poem, okay? Now we learn the spelling and I will tell you about all the body parts, okay? First I will tell you about eyes. What can I do with eyes? What can I do with eyes? I see with my eyes. Say after me. I see with my eyes. And what I can hear? And say, I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. Say after me. I smell with my nose. And I touch with my skin. Now tell me, how many hands do you have? How many hands do you have, all of you? I have 2 hands and I have 2 ears. I have 2 eyes. Say after me, all of again the spelling of all body parts. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, all of you repeat after me. eyes, eyes, eyebrow, 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 chek, chick, chick, chin, hair, hair, nose, nose, ear, ear, lips, lips, neck, stomach, elbow. Show your elbow. elbow. Show your elbow, all of you. Very good. elbow. What is this? This is knee. Touch your knee. And tap your knee. Touch your knee and tap your knee. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. What is the spelling of knee? K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. What is the spelling of knee? K-N-E-E, knee. Now next, H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Touch your head. H-E-A-D, head. H-A-N-D, hand. Show me your hands. H-A-N-D, hands. H-A-N-D, hands. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. I need my eyes to see the star, flowers, things. I need my eyes to see the things. I need, say after me, I need my eyes to see the things. I need my ear to listen the music. I need my ears to listen to music. Say after me, I need my ears to listen music. I need my tongue to taste. I need my tongue to taste. I need my nose to smell. I need my nose to smell. Okay. Now, today we learn body parts and one little poem. 10 little fingers. Okay. We take a repeat. We take a revision of our small C rhymes. Okay. Say after me. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright. Two little eyes that shine so bright. One little mouth to kiss mother. One little mouth to kiss mother. Good night. Good night. All of you have to learn these body parts, spelling and our rhymes. Okay. Bye bye children.